Am I visible? Hi, how are you? So first of all, it's a pleasure being here in front of all of you, presenting how OutSystem can support your business. And Engineering Nadeem, whatever you have said for the AI is 100% true. I totally agree with you, especially in the area of the governance of the AI and how can we make sure that the AI is governed and is secure for your operations. Very important. And today's topic, I will speak about AI and how to take the AI from pilot and experiment to the real business that has a proper ROI which can generate for your organizations. My name is Mohamed Elkady and I'm from OutSystems. Before going into AI, let me give you a quick introduction about OutSystems and how we help thousands of customers building their applications with using our low-code technology. So our main mission is to empower organizations to build mission-critical solutions for exactly what they want. We believe that customers should not be sacrificing getting exactly what they need for their operations without the inflexibility of the packaged solution or the long time that it will take for them to develop applications from scratch. Since last year, we have focused onto the agentic world, and we have released our agent workbench. Our agent workbench, which help our customer to build enterprise agent. Since then, we have released incremental momentum from the customer building agents. 16,000 agents was developed in the last couple of months. And we have certified more than 2,000 AI developers on top of OutSystems. We have a huge community. When you get a technology provider, you need to make sure that you have a community that they can support you grow your business. We have more than 900,000 AI OutSystem developers worldwide, and more than 600 partners ready to get you started and support your business. We're very proud that we have been named by our users as #1 in the customer satisfaction in G2. And this is due to a couple of stuff. First of all, the ease of using of OutSystems. The ability to integrate and extend your services using OutSystems. And a lot more. We owned our customer trust, as you can see. Let me give you some example about our customers and how we're helping them build their world. For example, Bentley. Bentley, they cannot produce a car without OutSystems. They run their operation on top of OutSystems. Western Union, they trusted us to make sure that the money transfer from country to country is secured on top of OutSystem by building their mobile app. And here in KSA, I'm sure a lot of you are using applications built by OutSystem without even knowing. AMB Bank, their mobile application is built by OutSystems, and a lot more of the internal applications that was built here. For example, Riyadh Capital, their trading mobile application is built on top of OutSystem, which is a very mission-critical solution. Neom, they are building the super app for the employees starting from their onboarding to their community life cycle on top of OutSystems. HRDF, they are building their application for the local Saudi talents to be able to find jobs here in the kingdom was built on top of OutSystem and much more. We have a lot of customers here that we're supporting. And not only the customers who have been rated by the top 3 analytics firms as a leader. For example, Gartner, we're 9-time leaders in Gartner. Forrester, we're a leader in the best-in-class app gen platform. IDC, we're leader in the development by AI. The race for AI is on, and now everyone is catching, and now everyone is trying to develop an AI. But let me give you some numbers about last year and the years coming. 71% of the CEOs, I'm sure you're all like this, have prioritized the AI as a top investment. Last year, 1.5 trillion US dollars was spent in the AI. And 92% of the companies has increased their investment for the AI in the next 3 years. Despite all of these investments, 90% of the AI agents that was built are still stuck in the pilot mode. And that's what McKinsey is saying. When we started to dig deep to understand, despite all of this investment, 1.5 trillion and all of this, why still in the pilot mode, we found out that 57% was because of the security and governance, as Nadine was mentioning, and 33% because they were not able to integrate the AI system with the legacy solutions that they have and the current workflows that they have. So building agents disintegrated from each other doesn't give you the agentic experience that you require. And most of the people think that next LLM generation will be better. It's not about the LLM. The AI, as you know, is a probabilistic technology based on statistical models that you give them input, it will generate some output for you. But in order to trust AI in your operations, it needs to be deterministic. It needs to be guardrailed. You need to make sure what will be the output that will come for you to trust it. And that's how we do it. To make the AI predictable for you to use it in your operation. You need to integrate with your systems, your ecosystems. You need to have a governance and security for the AI for you to trust. Let me show you a quick overview about how OutSystem architecture and how can we support. Starting from the application development, where we use the AI to help our customers build application faster, where you can attach your BRD and then start vibe coding with OutSystem. Once you finalize this step, you will find out that the AI will start generating your screens, your database structure, the first MVP for your application within a couple of minutes. And when we have developed Mentor, we have gained 25 years of experience building and developing application into this engine to make sure that whatever we'll develop here is enterprise proven. Not only the development that we will support in. After the development, you will need an AI to make sure that the application is running perfectly and to make sure that all your security regulations is passed or the performance is okay. So there is another AI that will review the code there and tell you, by the way, you have an issue here in the security and here is the fix. Or you have a performance issue with a query, this is the fix for it, start fixing. Once you finish the first MVP, you start taking it into action and add it into our IDE, which is a full stack development, starting from the database, managing and developing the orchestration, your logic, your UI UX for building mobile and web application. It will not stop here. You will need to integrate with systems. Integration starting from if you would like to integrate with unstructured data, if you would like to integrate with different databases, Oracle, SQL, if you would like to integrate with enterprise applications, SAP, Salesforce, or whatever application you would like, or even if you have a cloud services that you would like to integrate with from Google, from Azure, from AWS, you can find the connectors. And by finding a connector, I mean by dragging and drop a connector and adding your authentication, and the connection was done. Start developing. And even if you find a connector in our 8,400 connectors that we have till now, you can integrate using REST or open APIs. You have an embedded full lifecycle CI/CD inside OutSystem that you can manage the full lifecycle from your development, starting from development to testing to production within one application. And if you have your current CI/CD, you can integrate with, we're open to any integrations. All of this, we're talking about cloud native security, the cloud native technology microservices that you can scale automatically, managing your security and your governance on top of it, and with a flexible deployment. We'd like to deploy on-prem, on cloud, we support everything. Once you're finished, now we would like to inject your AI. AI agents that can help you. Right, let's start from how to develop an AI agent. Previously, you will need an AI expert to go and start developing the proper AI agent that you can trust in the production. Currently, we're doing it different. We're using the low-code technology, dragging and drop your business, and the AI agent will be generated. And we're speaking about integration with multiple LLMs, whatever you need. If you would like to integrate with OpenAI, we have the integrations. With Claude, with Gemini, if you have your custom-built LLM that you have it local and you would like to integrate with, you can integrate with. The point with AI agent that there is a huge underlying technology behind it. You need someone to manage the orchestration of the AI, the ground, the security, the network, the memory of the AI. We will handle all of this. What's expecting from your side to manage the business of building the AI agent using the low code and keep the rest of the technologies for us to manage. Our applications and the advantage is mainly three things. You will get a unified platform. You will get an agile and enterprise-proof. When unified, we're speaking about that you can build web, mobile, APIs, AI agents, manage the security, governance, all of this in one unified platform, integrated all together. With agile, it's easy to develop your application using the AI. It's easy to integrate. When you get a new requirement from the government or from the AI authority here, you can easy to adapt it. You don't need a long time for development. Enterprise proven. Thousands of customers are relying on top of OutSystems for their mission critical solutions that they have trusted our technology in their production, building 16,000 AI agent currently live in production. So it's an enterprise proven. Thank you so much for attending my presentation. I'm available here all day to answer your questions, and we can take it forward from here. Thank you so much. Thank you.